Guys, I'm so sorry I was running late. My husband couldn't find
Let me guess.
first his glasses, then his keys.
Men, they'd be lost without us.
Can you pass me some of those fresh strawberries you were telling me about?
Sure, coming right up. Oh, do I have a funny story about strawberries?
Hold on, it's not going to gross me out preventing me from eating my strawberries, is it?
No, it's cute. Do you remember my daughter Angie and my 6-year-old granddaughter Kelly?
Yeah, she's the one going for speech therapy.
Right. Well, Angie was cleaning strawberries in the kitchen one day, and Kelly comes walking in.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
is there any ice cream in the freezer?
Cream?
Okay, cream. Is there any ice cream in the freezer?
Good job, Kelly. It's ice cream. Kelly? You look tired. Are you tired?
A little bit.
You know how I can tell? Because you have a hard time concentrating on your words. But I know how you're working very hard to speak properly, and I'm very proud of you. Now, what were you asking me about ice cream?
I was wondering if you were going to ask me if I wanted some.
Oh, really? Not this close to bed, young lady. But I am preparing a treat for tomorrow. Can you tell me what this is?
It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry.
Exactly, it's a strawberry. That's how you pronounce it. How about a little bowl of strawberries?
Yes, please. Please. Mom,
Yes, dear.
where do babies come from?
What?
Where do babies come from?
Well, when a husband and wife love each other, they get together and have children.
Get together?
Well, what did you expect me to say? She's way too young to know the mechanics.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Well, of course you don't tell her the mechanics, but maybe you could come up with something else like the stork.
Look, I'm not going to lie to her about childbirth with some silly myth about a stork.
Oh, a myth like Santa Claus?
That's more of a universal myth. Most of the kids in our class still believe in Santa. I don't know anyone who uses the stork anymore, Mom. I want to know why she asked. Who put that thought in her head?
Well, who's she been around?
Kids from school. But it's a very small class. And we have some play dates, but I know those families, I think. She does have speech therapy. I got some more strawberries today, fresh from the farm stand. You enjoyed them so much last night. Would you like some more?
Yes, please.
How was your speech therapy today?
Good.
So proud of you. I have a meeting with your speech therapist and teacher tomorrow.
Mom,
Yes, Kelly.
what's a diaphragm? Diaphragm.
What did you say, dear?
What's a diaphragm?
Well, when a mommy and daddy don't want children.
But they're already a mommy and daddy.
Oh, right, yes. What I mean is when a husband and wife don't want to have children.
They use their diaphragm?
Yes. They use their diaphragm.
You're teaching her about diaphragms?
Yes,
Wow, isn't she a little young?
of course she is.
At least they're not teaching her about IUDs.
What?
They look like something invented by the Inquisition. You think it's more than a coincidence that IUD is DUI backwards? I think you have to be crazy or drunk to use one of those things.
I am leaving now. I'm going to bring all this up at school.
Okay, good luck.
I'd like to introduce Mrs. Pollard. This is our staff.
Welcome, Mrs. Pollard. This is Nurse Spector, psychologist Mr. Mancini.
Hello.
And of course you know speech therapist Mrs. Berman, and Kelly's teacher Mr. Glenn. They all wrote reports on Kelly's progress. Who would like to begin?
I will. Kelly seems to be a very healthy girl. Of course, she has this occasional headache before gym sometimes, but she's doing well.
We're working hard with Kelly on the pronunciation of her R's and S's. She's doing very well when she takes her time with it. She's really progressed over the last month.
I agree with that, Patty. I've met with Kelly recently. She seems to be a well-adjusted young lady. She loves her family, gets along well with her friends. In my professional opinion, you got nothing to worry about.
Kelly is a joy to have in our classroom. A contagious smile and infectious laugh light up our room. She continues to study hard and is loved by all of her peers.
Do you have any questions, Mrs. Pollard?
Well, yes, I do have to ask Mrs. Berman something.
Yes?
Don't you think Kelly's a little young to be learning about sex education?
Excuse me?
I just don't really understand why she needs to learn about the birds and the bees at her age.
I really don't know what you're talking about.
First, Kelly comes home asking me where babies come from. Then she asks me what a diaphragm is.
Mrs. Pollard, we're studying breathing.
That's hilarious.
Too funny. If you think that story's good, just wait till you hear mine.